It was a sunny day in a small village near the sea in Scotland. The countryside was full of sheep and Scottish men wearing kilts. In the village there was a bicycle repair shop. It was an old, small wheel shop with a large front window. It was equipped with all of the paraphernalia that one would expect to find in a repair shop: tires, tools, and so on.
Good morning! Bob's Brilliant Repair Shop. How can I help you?
Good morning, I'm Mr. Oldman. Could I ask you a question?
Yes, certainly.
Have you finished repairing my bike?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. I'll be there.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Hello, what do you want? I told you not to come here anymore.
I want my share of the profits.
I'm not going to give you anything else.
Of course you are, because I want what's mine.
Hello. Hasn't my bicycle been repaired?
Yes, it has. It's all ready. And let's go and get it for you.
Oh, thank you. And how much is the repairs?
It comes to £20, including parts and labor.
Okay, that's
What would you like to pay?
and cash, obviously.
Okay, thanks very much.
Oh, okay. Ah! What's the bloody hell? What's that sound?
I haven't got a clue. I'll go and have a look.
Good idea.
I'm off for lunch. I'm starving.
Oh my god. Police! Please, come to the bicycle repair shop. There's been a murder.
Hello, what happened?
I don't know anything. I was eating a huge bacon sandwich.
Good morning.
Morning.
Could you tell me about this case?
Sure. My daughter, my fashionable daughter and I were here waiting for my dumb bike when we heard that horrible noise, strange noise.
Thank you. Yes, madam. My daddy is telling the truth. I'm so terrible scared about it. I shall need a good scrub and a message for you to forget about it. Thank you. You've been incredibly helpful and another shot.
How are you? What's happened to you?
I'm Inspector Johnson. What could you tell me about this case?
It's a shame, really, because she's absolutely gorgeous. I found a fingerprint on her neck. She's been strangled.
Great work, my handsome friend.
Can I take a copy as print as evidence?
Of course, nothing would give me greater pleasure.
It's a very sad story. The whole dead thing, isn't it?
Thanks for the beer. We are all shocked.
And the worst thing is that we don't know what happened.
I already told you that I don't know anything. Why are you buying me this beer? What do you want from me?
No, I am only here to find out the truth.
I can't stand these kinds of accusation anymore.
Oh, I found the killer! Do you hear me? I found the killer! I've matched the print of Bob. It's the guilty. It's the repairman.
Stop.
Sorry, sir.
You're arrested.
Yeah.
Come on.
Calm me down.
I'm going to prove that my client could not have been the killer. He was not at the scene at the time of the murder. I shall call my first witness, the old man. Come in.
Here you are.
And so we conclude that my client is innocent. He is an honorable man and nobody saw him at the scene at the time at the crime in question.
We have reached an unanimous decision. Bob, the bicycle repairman, is found guilty of all charges. And he will be killed by...